Exploit kits. Silent, dangerous, and constantly evolving. These cybercriminal toolkits target software vulnerabilities to install malware without you even knowing. How do they work? And more importantly, how can you protect yourself? Stay tuned to find out. An exploit kit is a collection of malicious code designed to take advantage of software vulnerabilities. Cybercriminals use these kits to automate attacks, targeting weak points in browsers, plugins, and outdated applications. The process is simple. A user lands on a compromised website or clicks a malicious ad. The exploit kit scans for unpatched security flaws. If successful, malware is silently installed, giving hackers full control. No downloads, no warnings, just instant infiltration. So how can you stay safe? Here's what you need to do. Keep software updated. Regular updates patch security flaws that exploit kits target. Avoid suspicious links and ads. Malvertising is a common infection method. Think before you click. Reduce your attack surface. Remove unnecessary plugins and outdated applications. Use antivirus software. Security tools can detect and block exploit attempts before they succeed. And stay informed. Cyber threats are constantly evolving. Keeping up with cybersecurity trends is essential. Exploit kits remain a serious threat, but with the right precautions, you can minimize your risk. Stay vigilant, keep your systems updated, and always think before you click. For more cybersecurity insights, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.